Hi everyone. For grade 6, lesson 34 of the Elevate curriculum, students are going to be working on two different skills. The first one is dividing whole numbers by one-digit divisors, and then the second one is multiplying whole numbers. Because students have been working on those multiplication sprints, it's probably more logical for us to maybe break these days up into two separate days, starting with multiplying whole numbers. Okay, so first things first, I would love for teachers to model how to multiply multi digit whole numbers using question A. Even though it says we do, I think it's important for you to model so that they don't miss out on the steps, okay? And so, first things first, it says to align the numbers using place value. That's already done for you. And for this entire lesson, the questions are already going to be written out for the students. So, you will need to really focus, you and students will really need to focus on 2, 3, and 4. Right? So it says find the partial product for the ones. Students have to know that in the question 106 times 42, this 2, the value of that 2 is a 2 because it's two ones, right? So they are multiplying 106 times two ones. So they're going to do 106, they're going to do 6 times 2. Then they're going to do 2 times 0. Then they're going to do 2 times 1. 106 times 2 is 212. Okay? Then the next step that they're going to do is they're going to multiply 106 times 4. Now, the value of this 4 is 40 because it's in the tens place. 4 tens is equivalent to 40. So they are going to make sure that they account for 4 tens or the 0 in 4 tens by dropping down this 0 here, right? So you might want to ask, instead of even telling them, why does the second partial product end with a 0? And then the response should be, well, because even though it looks like we are multiplying by a 4, we're actually multiplying by 40, and 40 ends with 0, okay? So then same thing, 4 times 6, 4 times 0, 4 times 1, students should get 4,240. After that, they are going to then add up the partial products right here, from right to left, and then they should get 4,452. Okay, so you're going to model that for them. I believe, I have included a multiplication chart for them in case they are struggling. Please do not direct students to use this if you know that they are capable of solving without using the multiplication chart. We want to build fluency in their multiplication skills. However, if they are really, really struggling and they're in need of it, then definitely direct them to this resource page that you have printed out for them.